Hi ladies, happy Friday. You have one more 20% off shopping day. So that will be tomorrow for Saturday. So that is store-wide with the exceptions of Brighton, Julie Boss, Hammett, our already reduced merchandise, and our formal wear. But anything else, shoes, handbags, jewelry, accessories, and all of our clothing will be 20% off. So tomorrow will be your last day for Saturday. So today we're just gonna, the whole rack is Ethel. Just beautiful, bright, fun colors and happy colors. So we're gonna make you happy for the weekend. So this is gonna be in a V-neck. It kind of has a mandarin collar. It's just a 3/4 sleeve. Very, very lightweight. You would not feel like you even have anything on. The colors are so pretty and tropical. The fabric content is 70 cotton, 30 viscose. Priced at $87. I have it in a small, I have a medium, I have 2 large, 2 extra larges, and at the same price, I have an extra, extra large. The pants that we featured with it are gonna be a frayed bottom with your pearls. You have black pearls and white pearls, as well as a silver bead. So they are frayed at the bottom with pearls. Very, very cute. A pull on. It is a medium wash denim, and it does have your white stitching, and it is going to be a crop length. These are priced at $112. And in those, I have a 4, a 6, I have 2 8s, I have 2 10s, a 14, and a 16. The next top is going to be a top that you can wear as is, or you can also wear it off the shoulder if you need something a little bit more risque, or if you were going to something that you wanted to be a little bit dressier. It does have a elbow sleeve or a 3/4 sleeve that you can push up in it with elastic, so it'll make it a little bit puffier, make it a little bit dressier. The fabric content on this one looks to be the same as the last, but you know what? It is 70 cotton, 30 viscose. This one is priced at $71. And in that one, I have a small, I have 2 mediums, I have 2 large in that. And the next one is gonna be my twin, and we're just gonna show her with either jean, the one I just showed, or the one I'm wearing with it would be great. This is another lightweight. This is a little bit different style. I tucked it in the pockets because it was more of a tunic style and it kind of stuck out on me. I don't have any hips to fill anything out, so it just looked better to give it a little bit of a shape. The fabric content on this, which feels the same, 70% viscose and 30 nylon. It is. Cute little V-neck with the different colored buttons, really cute. Priced at $76. I have that in a small, a medium, 2 large, an extra large, and an extra, extra large. And I have on the medium in that. The pant that I have on is a pull-on, and it is a full length with a flare. Look at notice the cute laser cut detail with the embroidery there. Priced at $117. I have those in a 4, a 6, 2 8s, 2 10s, 2 12s, a 14, and a 16. The next blouse that I'm going to show you is another unusual print. It's kind of got pinks and khakis with that pop of lime there. It feels to be the same fabric, so let's see. This one is 80% tencel and 20 nylon. So this one is priced at $87. It has a collar with a V-neck, 3/4 sleeve, and a little bit of an inverted pleat in the back. And this has a shirt tail hem. At $87, I have 2 mediums, I have 2 large, I have 2 extra larges. We're gonna put that one with this khaki Ethel pant. This is gonna be in a flare leg, a pull on. It has your front pockets and your back pockets. She is priced at $110, and in that I have a 4, I have a 6, 2 8s, 2 10s, a 12, a 4, 2 12s, and a 14. Here is the same style that I have on. This is in the button V-neck. The fabric of this feels a little different. This one is gonna be 80% rayon and 20 nylon. Priced at $81, and this has kind of got more like citrusy colors, I think. I have an extra small, a small, 2 mediums, one large, 2 extra large, and 1 extra large. And we are gonna pair that one. It looks great with the khaki. You know it looks great with the denim, but it sure does pop with this citrine or this gold colored pant. This is gonna be in a, like more between a capri and a crop. It's a little bit longer than a capri, but not quite as short as a crop. And it's just sort of a straight leg. Again, it is a pull-on, priced at 100 even. And in that, I have 2 8s, I have 2 10s, and a 16. And the last top I'm gonna show you is gonna be the same style that I have on, but this is in a knit rather than a woven. And the fabric content of the knit is gonna be 60% cotton and 40% polyester, priced at 81. In that, I have a small, I have a medium, I have a large, and I have 2 extra larges. So as I said, we are all about happy, bright tops to make your weekend fun. So if you see something you like, we ship anywhere in US of A for an $8 flat rate fee. Our phone number at the store is 336-766-7440, or you can make a direct message on email, Instagram, or Facebook. I hope that you will take advantage of the last day of our 20% off store-wide. So as always, ladies, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend.